Hey everyone, Rezuan here, and welcome back to Toolify Studio. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of animation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you know the right software can make all the difference. That's why we're exploring the top 5 animation apps you absolutely need to try. We'll be covering everything from powerful 3D suites to user-friendly 2D programs, so stick around to find the perfect tool to bring your animation dreams to life. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Reallusion. This is a powerhouse for character animation and a favorite among industry professionals. With industry-leading tools like Character Creator and iClone, you can create realistic 3D animations with ease. Imagine bringing your characters to life with lifelike movements, expressions, and physics. Reallusion makes it possible. Whether you're creating characters for games, films, or even virtual production, Reallusion provides an end-to-end solution for breathing life into your characters. From sculpting and texturing to rigging and animation, Reallusion empowers you to create professional-grade results that will truly captivate your audience. Now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but is it difficult to use? And the answer is a resounding no. Reallusion is known for its intuitive interface and motion capture capabilities, making it surprisingly beginner-friendly. They offer a vast library of pre-made assets and tutorials so you can hit the ground running. If you're serious about 3D animation, Reallusion is a game changer. Next up, we have Moho, formerly known as Anime Studio. This fantastic software is a dream come true for 2D animators. What sets Moho apart is its incredible rigging system, making it incredibly easy to create smooth, fluid character movements. You can say goodbye to tedious frame-by-frame work for simple actions. Moho's rigging tools do the heavy lifting for you. But don't think for a second that Moho is just about rigging. It offers a comprehensive set of tools for creating stunning 2D animations from start to finish. Whether you're working on character animation, explainer videos, or even animated shorts, Moho provides the flexibility and power to bring your vision to life. What's truly remarkable about Moho is its unique blend of traditional animation tools and modern rigging techniques. This means you get the best of both worlds. You can create classic, hand-drawn animations with ease, or dive into the world of rigging for more complex character interactions. The choice is yours. Moving on to a true hidden gem in the animation world, Crea. This open-source software is widely known and loved in the digital art community for its powerful painting and illustration tools. But did you know it's also an incredible and completely free option for frame-by-frame animation? Crea's intuitive timeline feature makes it surprisingly easy to create stunning 2D animations. You can add multiple layers, import audio, and even use onion skinning to perfect your animation timing. And because it's open source, you'll have access to a passionate community of animators and developers who are constantly improving and expanding Crea's capabilities. Now, you might be thinking, free? Really? There's got to be a catch. But trust me, with Crea, there really isn't. It's a fully featured animation software that can rival even the most expensive programs on the market. So, if you're just starting out or if you're on a tight budget, Crea is an absolute game changer. Absolute. Next up, we have Clip Studio Paint, another heavy hitter in the creative world. While it's widely recognized for its incredible comic and manga creation tools, Clip Studio Paint also excels in the realm of animation. Artists around the world are discovering the joy of bringing their illustrations to life with Clip Studio's powerful animation features. What makes Clip Studio Paint truly special is its ability to seamlessly blend illustration and animation. You can create stunning artwork using its vast library of brushes and tools, and then effortlessly transition into animating those very same illustrations. This makes it a dream come true for artists who want to tell stories and bring their characters to life within a single program. Clip Studio Paint's animation features are nothing short of robust. From frame-by-frame animation to tweening, it provides all the tools you need to create professional-grade animations. And its user-friendly interface makes it surprisingly easy to learn, even if you're completely new to animation. Last but certainly not least, we have Chupy Tube. This fantastic software is specifically designed with beginners and educators in mind, making it the perfect gateway into the world of 2D animation. Chupy Tube boasts a clean, intuitive interface that's incredibly easy to navigate, even if you've never touched animation software before, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Chupy Tube is packed with features that allow you to create engaging and visually appealing animations. From traditional frame-by-frame animation to stop-motion and cutout animation, Chupy Tube provides a variety of techniques to explore and master. One of the things that makes Chupy Tube so special is its commitment to accessibility. It's a lightweight program that can run on even the most modest of computers. And it's completely free. That's right, you can dive into the world of animation without spending a dime. So there you have it. 5 amazing animation apps that cater to a wide range of skill levels and animation styles. Whether you're dreaming of creating Hollywood-level 3D characters with Reallusion, or exploring the joys of traditional 2D animation with Crea, there's a perfect tool out there waiting for you. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a program that excites you, sparks your creativity, and empowers you to bring your animation dreams to life. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these animation apps are you most excited to try? Or maybe you have a favorite that I didn't mention. Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Toolify Studio for more awesome animation content. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy animating.